liquid foam. I think I used too much foam. 150mm floor insulation of a damp-proof membrane. This membrane the brickie put in, which wasn't necessary because I'd already put a DPC under the inner leaf further down, but also one from the door guys as well. New doors fitted. They're obscured windows because there's going to be the bathroom here. And then we've gone for a completely clear front door. What a lovely assistant. Normally the shower drain would be hidden under the floor, and once it's in it, that's it. I wanted to keep things accessible, so I've run the pipework behind this wall instead. That's why if there's ever a leak or a blockage, I can get to it without ripping the floor up. It also gave me flexibility. I could position the shower tray, check everything lined up properly, and then lock it in once I was happy. It's a bit different, but it makes future maintenance way easier. From both sides. I'm about to drill holes into my crawl space here to the older part of the property, so I've got a 25mm bit and then some conduit which I'll put into the holes, and then I'll run the underfloor heating pipes through this conduit. Just protects them from when they're expanding and contracting, that they don't scratch and rub on the walls. Holds them in place and replaces the insulation that I cut out. I know it expands 3 times, so I don't know why the fuck I always do it. I just like squirting it. I'll just have to dig it off. Just sticking this edge expansion strip. Honestly, I don't know if it's necessary. I've already got 50mm of PIR behind, but some places I read you need it, even if you've got the PIR. When you're doing a liquid foam, so I mean it's that cheap. It's like £12 for the roll. It's taking me like less than 10 minutes to roll this and stick it down, so I'm doing it. Line it up, pull the backing off and then rub it on. It's really easy to do. Oh yeah! Bit of tidying up on the edges, but pretty much ready. That's for the shower base. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Temporarily, I don't want to disconnect my old underfloor heating yet because it's absolutely freezing outside. I don't want to piss about with it. So I've got the new manifold here. I'll leave it at working pressure for when I get it screeded tomorrow. It's already hard to touch.
That's what she said!